Hello guys, today we will be showing you how to do a glitch, so let's get into the video. Okay, so we're in the game. Buy a new slot. No, I didn't mean to load pirate ship. I meant to buy a new slot. Okay, I bought a new slot. I'm gonna name it Glitch. Okay, come on. So I'm gonna have to find some glue. So for this glitch, you need some glue and a hinge. That's all you need. Just glue and hinge. I don't think glue's in the shop. So I'm gonna look in one of the chests, and I'll probably find it there. I'll look at. Okay. So I'm gonna I don't know where to find. I have hinge, but yeah, spaceship. It looks like a spaceship though, but it's not a spaceship. I'm just gonna make up random things though. Before we get into the glitch building, how I do this recording voiceover, this is sponsoring for CapCut. This is how I edit my videos and use screen recordings, and that's all about it for CapCut. Okay, now let's build the glitch thing. Trying to find the hinge right now. It's so hard. I'm in the glue in hinge. That's not glue. That's sand. No. Dude, it just passed me. The glue just passed me. Okay, I'm gonna have to look in one of the chests then. I think. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. Oh my god. I accidentally bought one. Did you hear that? Look. You hear that outside, bro? It's literally thundering outside, literally storm. Yeah, I don't think it's in the shop. I'm so dumb. Simaging, who's that guy who wants to join my team? Nah. Okay, I found the glue, finally. God. Okay, I'm gonna search for hinge. And I spelled it wrong. Okay, I got the hinge. Put it there. And I'm stuck. And I have to delete almost everything. That too. Okay, I'll delete the middle part. Okay. So I don't really know how to do this glitch, so yeah, hello? Who are you? Oh, you're the person who wanted to join my team. Really? Bro, you just deleted my box. He said, yup. Wow, bro. Wow, bro. Wow, bro. How could you? What do you want, bro? Literally. He said hello. To give you something. Okay. To give what? Like, what do you want? Okay, I'll let him join my team for now. Not. I don't like us. I don't think he's gonna give me anything though. Yeah, but he wants a. I literally accepted his ride. Okay, so. Hello? Aren't you gonna give me a ride or anything? We're just driving around, boy. Just driving around. Come on, why won't you? Bro, why is this ride taking so forever? I think he's taking me to the end. Oh no, Two Wheels lost. I think we're going to die. No, no, no. Maybe this now, hang on. What do you mean hang on? Literally, what is he gonna give me? I'm gonna look into his avatar. Jungle military combat. He's literally a military man. No, bro, it's been 7 minutes in the video. Bro, I just want to continue my glitch thingy for the video. Oh, and by the way, on Discord, I've been getting, do a voice reveal, so I had to do a voice reveal, so at 13 subscribers. Right, now I have 13 subscribers, I was promised to do a voice reveal, so this is my voice. Yeah. Oh, I didn't realize you gave me gold, bro. Bro, shout out to you, bro. Shout out to Slime Zero. Shout out to Slime Zero, bro. Thank you. Good day, boy. Bro. Bro. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much, bro. Bro, thank you so much. I appreciate it, boy. It's been 8 minutes in the stream already. What the heck? No. And I'm dead. With me. And I died. $56 coins. I was so close to getting the end where that guy was. So 56 gold. Okay, now let's finish off our glitch thing because it's been 9 minutes in this literally video. So let's hurry up because I gotta go do something. So so all you need to do is put it to a plus, and then search up for hinge. Try to find the hinge or search up for a hinge. Or if you don't have one, buy one. And then press the up button, the up arrow, and then place it in the middle Oh God, I got stuck again. Now I'm gonna have to place that back. And then next, you're gonna do, like, hold on, let me finish this first. No, I don't want to anchor the block. Okay, never mind. Okay, I'm gonna finish this part first. Okay, what is she doing here? Now, next step, all you need to do is just place it through your, you just need to place it in the middle 2 times with the blocks. Oh, hi. I just responded. Okay, now you need to save it. And then, and then we'll launch it in a sec. Okay. Is she gonna respond? Oh God, look, guys, hear this, literally. It's literally like almost raining outside. It's not even raining outside. Okay, now you jump. Now we're gonna reach to the end. This is how you do the glitch, so. Okay, I'm gonna reach to the end. Gosh, I'm going so fast. No! Oh my God. Come on. No. Yes. Okay. Come on. Oh God. Oh my God, I lost one glue, bro. I lost one glue. He's back again. Come on, let me just go down. Come on, go down the waterfall. Oh. Come on, go down. Yes. Come on. Yes. Come on. Yes. Let's go. I hope that helped you guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and goodbye.